GK model questions. Name some healthy food. The answer is vegetables, fruits and milk. Food gives us dash. The answer is energy. Why do we need food? The answer is we need food to grow strong and healthy. Drink plenty of dash. The answer is water. Who teaches us lessons? The answer is teacher. Who drive the vehicles? The answer is driver. Dash safeguards our country. The answer is soldiers. Who look after sick people? The answer is nurse. Who brings us letters? Answer is postwoman. Dash fixes pipes and taps. The answer is plumber. What do we wear in summer? The answer is cotton clothes. What do we wear in winter season? The answer is woolen clothes. Dash is the festival of lights. The answer is Diwali. Christmas is celebrated in the month of dash. The answer is December. Onam is the festival of dash. The answer is Kerala. Dash is celebrated in Tamilnadu. The answer is Pongal. Name any three festivals. The answer is Diwali, Onam and Eid. Independence Day is celebrated on dash. The answer is 15th August. The Republic Day is celebrated on dash. The answer is 26th January. Which insect has beautiful wings? The answer is butterfly. Which flower always faces the sun? The answer is sunflower. Dash is our national flower. The answer is lotus. Which flower has a very nice smell? The answer is jasmine. Name any three insects. The answer is ant, spider and butterfly. Name any three flowers. The answer is rose, lotus and jasmine. Name the big plants. The answer is mango tree, coconut tree and banyan tree. Name two air transport. The answer is aeroplane and helicopter. Name two water transport. The answer is boat and ship. Which is the fastest means of transport? The answer is aeroplane. A bicycle has dash wheels. The answer is 2.